Guys, today I will show you how to descale this Nespresso Creatista Uno machine. So first I will show you what's the problem. So if I turn on this one, then just click on something. Okay, you can see this is blinking. I'll just show you closer. So it's blinking, but if you don't do the scaling, then it will make it like a solid LED on, then you cannot use the coffee maker. Okay, so first thing to do is to clean everything. Just turn off again. To turn off, press the both front buttons at the same time. Now it's off. So better turn off from the wall. Then just clean this up, and I'll come back. Okay, after cleaning, so I'll just put back everything. So this one, this one, this one. Then the water. So make sure when you return it, there's like a 500 milliliters of water. Okay. I will be using this Breville Eco Liquid Descaler. Okay. So based on this recommendation and the specs, you have to use so for every 100 ml or for every 1 liter of water, there's like a 100 ml of this descaling agent. So this one is only 500 ml, so you should use a 50 ml. Okay, so I already put 50 ml here. Then I just open this, then pour it. Okay. So it's only 50 ml. Okay. Okay, now it's gone. Let's close this. And this is ready. Just put the cover. So make sure you place 1 liter container here. Make sure it is both in position, so the water will not spill. Then you can turn on the power. I just turn on the power in the main supply. Then this one is off. Then you need to press both the front buttons about 5 seconds. Just press and hold. See, the two LEDs are on, also this one. But if you want to cancel the descaling, just put it closer. If you want to cancel the descaling function, then you just press any button except these two. So for example, that one. So it's canceled. Then you need to turn off again. Then if you want to start descaling, then you need to press these two buttons again. And wait. See, there's two LEDs on, also this one. So to start, you press this button to start the scaling process. Also notice that it's blinking alternately, and also the buttons here, like a three LEDs are on. That indicates the process. Also, the water level is going down here until it's finished. Okay, so nearly done. Okay, now you see this stopped blinking, and also the this one turned only two bars or two LEDs on, unlike before it was three. Okay, then need to discard this liquid. Also need to remove this water container, the back, and have it cleaned and put some potable water. After rinsing and cleaning this water container, then put potable water to the maximum level and put it back. Okay, now it's in the maximum. Then make sure do not turn off the coffee maker, so it's still in the process. Then put this empty container, 1 liter empty container, back in place. Just put it a little bit backwards. Then press this again, this button, to continue the process for rinsing. I can check the level here. It's up to nearly 500. And this one is nearly 1 liter. So this will be the first rinse cycle. Then once this one is finished, is full, then you can discard this water. Then it will be continuing the second rinse cycle. See, it still continues blinking, so that means it's still in the process. Yeah, now it stopped blinking. See here? Then see, it's now only one LED on in this process. That means you need to discard the liquid and continue with the process. So there's still 500 ml water in the container. So just remove this. Have remove the water and rinse it. And now we can continue to the final rinse cycle. Just press this button again. Then it will continue. See, it's much clearer. So this one is nearly empty, and this one is about 500. So just wait for this to stop the blinking. So it's purging the milk one at this time. See? Okay, it's blinking, then it's finished. Okay, to make sure that I have properly rinsed the the machine. So I just do the same procedure but without adding the scaler. Then turn this off. Then put this one. Then do the same process as the descaling. Then see, it's all back to from the start. So 3 LEDs on. Then do the same procedure. Then for sure that will be properly rinsed. So this one, descaling again. So you can see water coming out. It's clear. You can see it's not really clear. You can see some bubbles. So that's why I do this second time to make sure it is properly rinsed. Okay, that's it. I will just continue doing the same procedure. Then after that is finished, then you can start making coffee. So again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe.